Hey, welcome to the Jumpstart section. In this section, I'm going to throw a lot at you. You're going to learn some of the important reasons of why we're going to do investment analysis, but you're also going to do an exercise where you're going to do some market research using Zillow.com and then take those learnings to run your own investment analysis for a rental property right away. Now, this will feel fast for some of you, so don't worry if you need to watch it over again and pause where you need to. And even after that, if there are some things that you just don't get, don't worry about it. I don't introduce everything just because these are the early lectures, okay? Now, some of those things that may seem foreign to you, we're going to explore all of them in greater detail in the rest of the course at a more normal pace. So just dive in and don't worry. All right, let's go.